Hello guys, I am Sagar Jaswal and today we are going to start with Unity. So as this is the first video, I am going to tell only the basics about Unity. So without any further delay, let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do is to download it. So go to your browser and just type download Unity. Now go to the link that I am going, download Unity. Now choose your Unity and download. So we will go on individuals and you can download either student or personal. I'm going to download personal because I'm using for personal purpose. Let's get started. Okay, now go for download for Windows or Mac if you're on Mac. Yeah, I'm not going to download it because I've already installed it in my system. So let's get to it. So after we have installed the Unity Hub, this is going to be the first page that you see. If you want to install, add your license, you can add or just go back and go to the install sections. And here you can see that I have already installed Unity 2019 version. So if you want to add latest version, you can just go to add and you can see 2020 version is also available over there. You can download that. So as I've already installed, I'll go back, go to the projects, and we're going to add a new project, new. And here you can see a new window, where you can see there are options for 3D, 2D. So we are going to make a 3D here. So we'll go 3D and create. It might take some time to load, but if you are using it for the first time. So as we have opened our Unity, so the first thing you'll get is a main camera and a directional light. See, no, okay. So if we add an object, want to add an object, there are several ways. You can just click this plus sign and create 3D object cube. You can see our cube is on the frame right now, scene right now. And if we select a camera and drag it down, it is you can see it is updating live on that game option. Okay, so let's select a cube. Now if you say if you want to add some color to it, you can just right click over here, create and material. Let's name it ground. Okay, we're going to make it as a ground of a game, for example now. And let's add a color. Let's say we want it to be go green. Okay, now if we want to color this cube, all we have to do is to take the material and drag onto the cube. Okay, now I'll tell you some keys that we need to know. First, if you want to focus on that cube, let's say you are far away, and if you want to go to that cube and you have to drag mouse all over there, it's a time taking process. Just select that cube and press F. You'll be focused on that object. Okay, now let's add some more things. First, I'll scale that, decrease the scale. You can just, there are two ways. You can just type the value you want to scale, or there's an option over there. You can drag if you want to increase the scale along x-axis, that y or z. Okay, now let's increase it more. As you can see, it looks now. And let's drag a camera back to the starting point. Okay. Now let's add some more objects over here. There are several objects you can add. Okay, let's add a capsule and bring it find in front of the camera. Okay, let's add another material. Create a material. Let's call it player. And yes, if you want to add some physics to it, there is an object you can add. Just add component, and it is called rigid body. Okay, if you add it, it will collide. It will add the gravity to the object. Let's add it now. Let's play it. Now just zoom out. As you can see, if I drag it up, it comes back down. And if you disable the capsule collider, it won't collide with the cube or the ground, and it will pass through it. See, it passes through. Okay, so colliders are important part.